Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how to mention everyone in a Facebook group so you don't have to mention each and every single one individually by their name. There's a feature which allows you to enter that feature and then everybody in the group will be tagged. So let me show you how to do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, open Facebook and click on the messenger icon at the top right to open your messenger. Now once you're inside your messenger, go into a random group. So I will go into this group called Deno because that's my group. I click on it. Now let's say there's multiple people in this group and I want to tag every single one or mention every single one at the same time. What I can do is at the bottom where it says AA, click on it and your Facebook chat will open up like this. Over here you want to write this. You want to write @. Once you write @, it's the command feature for Facebook. The command feature has been activated. Now just write EVE, and once you write EVE, you can see this option called everyone. And right below it, it says mentions everyone in this chat. That is basically what we want to do. So we will click on this. And once it's, over here at the bottom, just click on the arrow and this message will be sent. Now everyone in this group has been mentioned. That's how we guys can mention everyone in a Facebook group. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys in my future Facebook related videos just like this.